Hi everyone. In today's video, we will cover the main features of the Magento 2 one-step checkout extension and how to use it effectively to optimize your checkout process. Let's start with the module's outstanding functions. Understanding how important it is for online businesses to simplify the checkout step, we developed the one-step checkout extension. First and foremost, the module optimizes the Magento lengthy checkout process to one simple page, gathering all necessary steps in one place. To set up a clear checkout page like that, all you need to do is drag and drop the fields you like to arrange them. If you want a field to be mandatory, just click on its tick box and the module will do the rest. The most outstanding feature of this extension is Google Address Suggestion, saving customers lots of time and effort in filling their information every time they place an order. Moreover, with one-step checkout, shoppers can always review their added items via the quick cart. There are also several features to reduce cart abandonment rates by eliminating shoppers' concerns such as showing trust badges, offering various payment methods, and sending email reminders. Now, let's learn how to configure the Magento 2 one-step checkout extension by Mageplaza.